Hello students, so today we are going to discuss a new experiment, that is the to observe different stages of mitosis in onion root under microscope. So first of all, what we will do, we will take a flask for that, okay, and inside this flask we will fill this with the help of this water. Okay, so this is water, distilled water you can take, and on this top of this flask, this is the top of the flask, fully fill this water, and after that we will take this onion. This is onion, and we will place this onion on the top of this. Okay, so that this onion will come in contact with the water which is filled in this beaker, okay, and allow it for 5 to 6 days to grow. Put this onion on the top of this and allow it to stand for 5 to 6 days. What will happen after the 5 to 6 days? The root will start originating. So after 5 to 6 days you will find that the onion, the roots will come out. So these are the roots, okay. The roots will appear after 5 to 6 days, and after that we will take the root tips. So these are the root tip cells here, root tip cells, and we will take these root tip cells and place it on the slide. This is the slide, and we will cut these root cells. So this is the root, this is the root tip, and we will place these root tip at this slide. Why we are taking this root tip for studying mitosis? As we are going to study mitosis, so there are the different types of stages are there: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase is there. So why we have taken this only root tip cells? Because these are very fast dividing cells, and you can see in these 5 fast dividing cells different stages of the cells, like the prophase in some cells, in other cells metaphase might be there, in another cells anaphase might be there. So we will take these root tip cell, and after that you can place the aceto-carmine stain, which specifically is used to stain these DNA. Okay, so after that you can crush or place this cover slip, and you can tap just like this, okay, so that all the cells will appear. And after that, once you have completed all these slide preparation, after that you can observe it under microscope. So as we have done in the last experiments, observe it under microscope, and you will be able to visualize different type of stages, like the metaphase. Okay, so inside this you might find the metaphase, you might find the anaphase. Okay, so in anaphase you will see the structure sister chromatids are moving to the different poles. So these are the sister chromatids. These are the sister chromatids, and they are moving to the opposite poles. Okay, so these are moving to the opposite poles, and in this case you might see that the chromosomes are visible at this equatorial plate in case of the metaphase. So this is metaphase. So all the cells are there in the middle. Clear? So this is experiment. Let us how to perform this. So first of all, as you are taking the onion, this is the onion, we have bought it from the market, and after that we have filled this flask full with the water. Here you can see we have fully filled this up to this mark, and after that we are going to place this onion on the top of this. Why we are placing? Because the root will originate from this onion after 5 to 6 days. So now we have placed, and allow it to rest for 5 to 6 days, and after that the root will start originating. Okay,